Hello guys, question number 12 is about magnetic field, magnetic force. The question states that a current path shaped as shown in the figure produces a magnetic field at P, the center of the arc. If the arc subtends an angle theta 30 degree and the radius of the arc is 0.6 meter, what are the magnitude and direction of the magnetic field produced at P if the current is 3 ampere, and determine the magnetic force exerting on a charge Q0 while passing at point P, moving with velocity minus 4I hat plus 6J hat minus 10K hat meter per second. As you see in the question, the geometry of the problem has not symmetry. That's why we cannot use Ampere law. We have to use Biot law. Biot law states that B is mu 0 I 4 pi integral of ds cross r hat divided r square. How many pieces we have in the question? 3. But in this part, a prime ds cross r hat is 0. Why? Because ds is always chosen at the same of direction of I, and its r hat is, both of them are parallel, so ds cross r hat is 0. And also in this part, ds cross r hat is 0. Just we have one portion here. ds is downward and I hat is leftward. So if I put I hat, J hat, K hat is outward. So I can put, instead of ds minus ds J hat cross, instead of r hat I can put minus I hat. You know that magnitude of r hat is 1 divided by r square is a square. So B is mu 0 I 4 pi a square integral of ds J hat cross I hat, and mu 0 I 4 pi r square. J hat cross I hat is minus K hat, because you know that I and J and K has a cyclic permutation. So J cross I is minus K. So let's continue. Mu 0 I 4 pi r a square integral of ds minus K hat. What is ds? ds, from your geometry, we know that if we have one arc, the length of arc is s, the opposite angle is theta, and the radius is a. We can say s equals a theta because a is constant. ds is a d theta. So instead of ds I can put mu 0 I 4 pi a square integral of a d theta minus k hat. So magnetic field is this a comes out and then cancel with this a, mu 0 I 4 pi a integral of d theta minus k hat. And integral of d theta is nothing else pi over 6, because in the question theta is 30 degree, 0.5 over 6. Okay, so B is mu 0 I 4 pi a pi over 6 minus k hat. This p can be cancelled, and also we can assume pi is 3. So if I put b mu 0 4 pi 10 to power of minus 7 I is 3 ampere according to the question, 4a is 0.6, 6 to 10 to power of minus 1, 6 minus k, it will be b is 2.5, 10 to power of minus 7 minus k hat Tesla. Part B, we have to find magnetic force. For finding magnetic force, we can say Q, V cross B. Q is minus 3 microcoulomb, V is minus 4I hat plus 6J hat minus 10K hat cross 2.5 10 to power of minus 7 minus K hat Tesla. How many terms we have? Because K hat cross K hat is 0, just we have 2 terms. So F is minus this 2.5 can multiply this 3, so 7.5 10 to power of minus 13, just I hat cross minus K is J minus 4 J hat, and for J hat cross minus K is minus 6I hat. So the final result for F will be 30, or it's better, sorry, in terms of I and J. Here 30 J hat minus 45 I hat 10 to power of minus 13 Newton. Have a nice day and goodbye.